Hi friends, today I will show you how to make your photography looks amazing creating a preset. Here is shown the before and after effect of the preset. Isn't it look beautiful? Preset can be downloaded for free. Just keep attention while watching. In the upper right corner of the video there you will get the password that is divided into two parts. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe to get more amazing presets like this. So let's get started.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking, oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. Broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking, oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no. Oh no.
That's it. Now we will see how the preset looks on other photos as well. If you like the preset, then don't forget to download and give a thumbs up to the video, and don't forget to subscribe for getting more presets tutorial. Hope to see you again. Goodbye.